Our focus over here in this campus is going to be essentially on renewable energy technologies, but of course that's not the only thing that we would be doing. We believe that India as a whole, and certainly this region of Telangana and the city of Hyderabad, can essentially become the renewable energy capital of not just the country but the world. We really have an abundant amount of sunshine over here, and if one looks around, there's also a fair amount of space that is available, and therefore this entire topography is very well suited to large-scale establishment of solar technologies and solar devices. Now, all of that will require a huge amount of skills, help provide that. I just want to mention two things. At the national level, I'm very happy to see that perhaps with a little bit of effort on our part, the new government of India is very committed to setting up 100,000 megawatts of solar capacity, possibly in less than a decade, or meeting of his advisory council on climate change. And as you know, the National Action Plan on Climate Change has 8 different missions, the very first one of which is the solar energy mission. And I have every reason to believe, and I have a fond hope, that we will scale up the targets for that mission. And when that happens, there's going to be a huge opportunity in India for developing renewable energy technologies and their dissemination. I also believe at the global level, I mean, as chair of the IPCC, we have just come out with our 5th assessment report, and we have clearly said that if the world has to limit temperature increase by the end of this century to no more than 2 degrees Celsius, then by 2050 we will require trebling or quadrupling of low carbon or zero carbon sources of energy, and renewables of course are right there at the center of any such mix that we can foresee. Now, if that's going to happen, then India not only has an opportunity with renewable energy technologies in this country, but globally. I think it's a unique opportunity, and I think business, industry. I've spent 6 years in Hyderabad, and this is very much सिटी जिसने हमें दाना पानी दिया है, तो वो हम कभी नहीं भूलेंगे. And what is even worse, if I may say, is that Dr. Leena Srivastava comes from Hyderabad. She has been away in Delhi for more than 30 years, but she remains a Hyderabadi, although now she says ji haan instead of how.